one more.
So how long does it have to stay? Like,
Well, they got
just finished up cooking. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Today is gonna be one of the longest days because I have so much to do. I have to edit my dad's video. I have to edit my review video. I have to film another review video. I have to pack. I have to get everything ready because Tuesday we're going to California and there's nothing done yet. Like, there's so much more to do. We still don't have a place to stay in San Francisco, so that's been annoying for Diana because she's been doing everything with that. So we might be homeless in San Francisco, but I just have so much to do. So besides doing all that, editing and filming and all that, like, we have a barbecue to go to in 1 minute, and then at 2 o'clock there's another barbecue, and then at night there's another plate. We're going to like a party, friend's party, so there's just way too much to do. So we stopped here at Diana's parents' house, barbecuing some chicken. Look at that. This is like a Portuguese style chicken, right?
Yeah.
Like barbecue style.
Yeah.
Nice.
Portuguese barbecue.
And you built this thing here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. And that's like hot sauce, right?
Yeah, I did it too from my garden.
Nice. All right, that lasted like a whole 5 minutes. We're gonna go home really quick. I want to copy over all the footage from my dad's video, and then we're gonna come right back over here and eat. I better put my seatbelt on. Okay, now I gotta copy all the footage to the computer, and that's gonna take a little while. All right, so finished my dad's edit. I still gotta review it, go over and make sure I didn't like leave any mistakes in there. But we're going back to Diana's parents' house now. We're gonna eat a little lunch. Hopefully there's still food left.
And not just bones.
Yeah, because we said we were gonna be there in 20 minutes after we left, and it's been an hour.
Don't forget about the window.
And the window. It's raining. Hi, we're back. Hopefully there's bones left for us.
Well, it says drinking team on the back, so I don't know.
No meat left. No. Nice shirt.
Thank you. Thank you. No, mi amor.
All right. First barbecue. Rice, beans, chicken.
Like this?
Cuando vaya a Portugal me la voy a poner.
Plums?
Me voy a poner la chaqueta de cuero rojo.
Got some plums here.
Yeah, that's cute.
Yo quería una así, la tengo.
From your garden?
Jessica Simpson, eso me dice,
Nice.
quédate con ella. Pero
Look at that. Fresh plums from the garden. You want a plum? Oh, nice eyelash thing.
Yeah, they're blue.
Cool.
Is it smeared?
No.
No. You actually notice it?
Yeah.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep. No! No, he doesn't like it. He wasn't about that. Jeremy getting his workout on.
Well, we're home now, but the last clip, that was kind of scary. That was so close. Like, that girl almost got hit by the firecracker or the firework because the firework tipped over in the middle of shooting off, and it went right at her, and it just missed her, but it exploded like right next to her body. Luckily, everything's okay. Like, she didn't get like burnt or anything like that, but that was just so close. That was so scary. I didn't even film it because I was just in shock when it was happening. I didn't know what to do. So yeah, it was just pretty scary. So good thing my cousin was able to go and just, like, you know, stand it back up, or else they would have just kept shooting in that direction. What's up, man? How's it going? You drinking already?
I've been drinking since 4 o'clock.
Snack, you Greg.
Oh man, I'm so lost right now.
Once you actually start going, you'll get it.
Stack ball.
I'll explain it to you.
I'll tell you who to pass it to.
Yeah, what the hell? He hasn't even got to go yet. You gotta try to explain the game to him.
Oh! Quicker! Motherfucker. You just can't.
So now you gotta hit that one.
Hit the edge of the table. Very edge of the table.
Hold on,
you
gotta
drink
drink this, and then that's gonna be your coat now. And then you wanna get it and stack her. Oh, no, just give it to her. Just give it to her. See, if she didn't make it, you could have stacked her, and then she would have had a drink. Come on, Eric.
I'm still lost. Ha!
Wait, no.
Woo! Alright, wait, hold on. So we got a burnt hamburger bun attached to this bottle rocket, and it's gonna go flying up.
Oh.
It's gonna have a lot of weight to it, so I don't know. Stand back. It might not fly up. I don't know. Oh shit! That bun is cooked. Look at that. It's smoking.
Oh, you put a fucking hamburger bun on it.
Oh!
You don't warn anybody, jerk.
Oh shit! Warn him! Oh, it's going right. Whoa!
Oh my god.
Dude, you hit that house.
You can't do that anymore. Is there an inflatable band that we can roll him onto?
We have one. He's got
So that's what's going on right now. It's about 3 o'clock. Pretty late. Trying to figure out where we're gonna go to sleep. Everybody passed out a little earlier than we thought, so we don't really have a place to lay down. It's 3:20. I'm seeing this clock now. I'm feeling great. Like I don't know. I'm feeling good. Wide awake.
I mean, I'm fine.
Not really tired.
I have a hair appointment at 12, so I don't know. That is like.
But had a really great 4th of July.
Is it alive?
Played some games, been with family, friends. It's a fun time. I just don't want to be too loud right now because there's a few people sleeping there, and then upstairs there's people sleeping. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.
Is there a bed to roll them on?
Is
there a bed to roll on them? To roll them in?
Stick some animal crackers in their mouth.
Sleep in the den.